Hi, Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys.
Well, tonight we're going to tell you some fun facts about the Carnival Destiny.
No, the Carnival Sunshine.
Oh, well, she used to be the Destiny, but now she's the Sunshine.
How about that?
Tonight we're going to tell you some fun facts about the Carnival Sunshine that was once called the Carnival Destiny. The Destiny first set sail in November of 1996, and in 2013 they took her off the water and she came back as the Sunshine.
Yes.
She currently holds a crew of 1,150
and 3,006 passengers
and 25 wheelchair accessible handicap rooms,
18 elevators.
And the Carnival Sunshine, unlike some ships, she does have a self-laundromat.
Self-service laundromat. We need that sometimes.
And my favorite thing about the Sunshine is her theme song.
Katrina and the Waves wrote it. It's called
Walkin' on Sunshine.
Whoa! No, I do not do karaoke.
Well, we're going to take a break right here. Video helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way.
Or even if you don't.
Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It's good for the channel and it helps other people find us as we share the joys of sailing.
Yeah.
Now back to the video. When the Destiny first came out, she was the largest passenger vessel until 1998.
Yes, how about that?
So for 2 years, she was the largest ship
in the world.
In the world. They named a class after her called
the Destiny class. And what's funny is when they renamed her the Sunshine in 2013, she was the first ship of the Sunshine class.
How about that? Well, she has a Serenity deck that spreads out over 3 decks. That includes a circular pool and a waterfall.
A waterfall. You're not going to find that anywhere else but on the Carnival Sunshine.
The Carnival Sunshine, she has 3 swimming pools,
7 whirlpools,
and a sports square that includes water slides, rope course, pool tables, foosball tables, and a hot dog stand.
And it's the only ship in the world that you can win one of these. It says Carnival Sunshine on it. You know you want one. It's worth going on the ship for.
So we sailed on the Destiny when she was the Destiny, and we liked her so much that we sailed on her 1, 2, 3, 4 times as the Sunshine.
What ship have you sailed on that you're like, I got to go back on that ship?
Because I tell you what, this ship was 5 times worth the money.
I would book that cruise and she'd say, where are we going? I'd say, we're going to the Sunshine. She goes, well, where's the Sunshine going? I'm like, I don't know. And she goes, oh, well, it doesn't matter anyway.
Actually, that happened. He booked a cruise on the Carnival Sunshine, and he called me at work and said, we're going on a cruise. We're going on the Sunshine. I said, okay, great. Where are we going? He said,
don't know.
I said, what do you mean you don't know? Didn't you book a cruise? He said, yes, but
it was on the Sunshine.
And he forgot to ask where we were going.
Oh, well, at least I knew what port to go to get on it.
Well, we hope you have enjoyed these fun facts about the Carnival Sunshine that was once the Carnival Destiny. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and we want to hear your comments. And watch our other videos about the Carnival Sunshine.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. See you around the channel.